Hi! Today we're going to create a super easy and adorable bookmark. To begin, secure your paper with paper tape to keep it flat on the table or on the board. This ensures it stays in shape when we add color and it gets wet. I've chosen black acrylic paint for the background. Acrylic is easy to control, and if mistakes happen, you can always cover and repaint, so that's a good thing. Especially if it is your first time painting a bookmark, I prefer that. Apply a generous layer using a big brush. Don't worry about the brush texture. A textured look adds charm to your painting. Now add dark green, not worrying about perfection. We don't need to cover it all, and just put it randomly around the painting. For the next shade, a lighter green is perfect for painting some plants. Feel free to experiment, no need for perfect shapes, just enjoy it. You can wait for the background to dry if you want the colors to stand out more. And a more saturated green to create depth. You can lighten the green color you had by mixing it with white. Doesn't really matter how much. Just do whatever makes you feel good. Trust the process even if it feels a bit chaotic and you feel it's out of your control. It's gonna be okay. Always trust the process in the painting. Time to add a different green, perhaps with a hint of yellow for variety. And for the fun part, random dots for the flowers. Keep it simple, no art background required, no perfect circles required. Let the brush do the job for you. Now let's transform this into a bookmark. One advice, use good quality paper tape, otherwise it will ruin your paper. Carefully cut the paper. You can use a scissor, a cutter, whatever works best for you. And I'm using a cute cutter for rounded corners. I think it makes it look more professional. And there you have it. What do you think? I enjoyed every moment of this, and I hope you did too. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. And here we have a pro tutorial from my husband.
So, let me put it this way. If you want to make a masterpiece like this that I'm doing right now, so you should focus and use yellow color as much as you can. So, I guess I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna give up. So, yeah, I'm just want to show you how to create a piece of art.
Tell me in the comments which one you like most. Thank you, bye!